Hello everyone, in this way I will show you how to apply for American Express Black Card. And if you're looking for this Black Card, first of all you have to be existing American Express card holder. This is very important because you need to be current holder of American Express card for at least 1 year and establish your relationship with the company and demonstrate your credit worthiness. The second thing is that spending requirement. You should have a significant annual spending history, typically around $5 lakh or more than on your existing American Express card. This level of expenditure is crucial as it indicates your capacity to maintain the card high fees and benefits. Ensure that your account is in a good standing, meaning no missed payment or negative mark on your credit report. While there isn't a publicly stated minimum income requirement, it is still implied that you should have a very high income to support your spending habit associated with the card. Now, the application processes since the Centurion card is invite only. The first step is to express your interest. You can do that by contacting American Express. Right, you won't be able to apply through the website, and you need to call or have a talk with your customer relationship. After expressing interest, you will need to wait for invitation from American Express. They will review your account history and spending patterns before extending an invitation. If you receive an invitation, you will require to pay a substantial initiation fee, which is around $10,000, and an annual fee of around $5,000. Upon accepting the invitation, complete any additional application forms required by American Express. Be prepared to provide documentation that verifies your income and financial status as requested by American Express. And if you found this information very useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.